This is a video about what I like about riding motorcycles. I guess it goes back to when you were a kid and you, right after you learn how to walk a little bit, then you kind of graduate up to a tricycle or big wheel or something like that, and you're going around getting a little bit from your parents, riding down the street. And after a while, that becomes kind of old and you get yourself a bicycle and you learn how to ride that. And you ride all over the place, ride around with friends. You can always tell where everybody's at because all the bikes laying in the front yard usually. At least that's how it was for me. I don't know if it was for you, but we always would ride everywhere. And wherever you seen all the bikes, that's where all the friends were at. And still you could ride bikes as an adult, but sooner or later you graduate to a motorcycle, and it kind of brings back your youth a little bit, except you don't have to pedal everywhere you go. But you can still go out riding with friends, and of course you're not going to lay your motorcycle in the yard. But a bicycle is very light, but you know, motorcycles, that's easy to put up on a kickstand. But it kind of gives you, you know, that freedom that you first had when you were, you know, 5, 6, however you were when you rode a bicycle for the first time. I could never ride my bike because when I first got it, it had training wheels, and I kept wrecking it all the time. Could never even ride it. Then a neighbor guy was talking to my mom, said, well, let's take off the training wheels, see how he does. Took off the training wheels and I just took off like I was meant to ride. Never ever had a problem riding, except when I had them training wheels. But I mean, different people are different. I've always had pretty good balance for 2 wheels. So if anybody has any stories about why they like riding motorcycles, just leave me a comment. You can even like and subscribe if you want to. My channel's still pretty small, but I'll grow it eventually, I hope. I mean, I'm not looking to get great big, but it'd be nice to have a few hundred. Well, that's about all my thoughts for this video.